Hello, today I'm going to show you 5 useful tips that you should know if you are using the computers or laptops, so let's start it. Tip 1. Go to Start menu and click on Setting. Click on System. Then scroll down and click on Clipboard. And you should turn on Clipboard option because it's very helpful. And now, I will show you what is the Clipboard can do. Now, I go to my website. And I create a new post. And now, I am going to find any topic to post in my website. For example, I want this topic. Let's copy the texts, and Clipboard can let you copy many times. And you not need to come to this website to copy the text again and again. Just copy all the text you want, then you can paste all the text one by one into your website as well. To paste all the texts that you have copied one by one, just hold Window key plus V. Then select the text that you want to paste. Very good, and remember, if you use key Control plus V, it pastes only the last text that you have copied. But if you use key Window plus V, you will see all the texts that you have copied. Okay, I hope this option is helpful for you, so let's go to tip number 2. You surely can play your video very fast and easy without losing quality. Just open your Chrome browser and drag your video to drop in your browser, then you can watch your video with the original quality as well. You also can watch full screen mode too. I hope this tip can help you, so let's go to the tip number 3. This tip, I will show you how to open emoji on your window. For example, you want to comment emoji to show your feeling. And here, if you want to use emoji, then just hold Window key plus full stop key, then the emoji will show up. Or another way, just right click, then click on emoji, but some other platform no have this option. But you can use Window key plus full stop key in everywhere as well. Okay, let's go to tip number 4. This tip, I will show you how to change CMD color. So let's open CMD. Just right-click on the headline and click on Properties. Then click on Color. And here, you can change the background color or change the text color as well. And after you finished, just click OK to save change. As you can see, now your CMD has changed default color as well. Okay, I hope it's good for you, so let's go to tip number 5. This tip I'm going to show you how to turn on screenshot option on your computer or laptop. Just go to Start menu and click on Setting. Then click on Ease of Access. Scroll down and click on Keyboard. And you need to check this option on your computer. If this option turn off, then you cannot use shortcut key to make a screenshot, so just turn this option on. Then let's test. Take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, just hold Function key plus Print Screen key. Then select the area that you want to take a screenshot, and it will save automatically to your screenshot folder. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and don't forget leave your comment below if you have questions. Thanks and bye for now.